A core belief I have in life is that I think engineering is the center of our culture. All progress is driven by engineering.
That requires someone to navigate ambiguity, to have the perseverance and grit, to iterate, and ultimately to be very creative and innovative in approaching something in a way that hasn't been done before.
Being able to take the concept and idea of something that's as mystical as artificial intelligence and actually make it viable for our clients is what Invisible does.
We work with 80% of the leading tech companies in the world, and there's a real responsibility.
Invisible is really the company that's redefining how enterprises solve their thorniest operational challenges.
We want to make things compliant. We want to make sure that the customers have a great experience working with us, and we also want to deliver fast and high-performing work.
That makes us very well poised to then deploy those learnings and that credibility to help enterprises, to help the public sector.
Our product suite covers everything that an enterprise would need to get ready for AI adoption, adopt AI, and then actually drive enterprise value from that adoption. So that's really exciting to me about what we're building here, because I don't know any other company that's quite solving it in this holistic end-to-end manner.
I think there are certain periods in history where you get to work on the most important topic of the age with some of the smartest people. We are trying to build a company over the next 10 years that will change the AI landscape. Our goal is to figure out how to crack all of the issues that are currently plaguing AI in the enterprise. Our goal is to recruit the best engineers in the world.
The type of individual that I think thrives within Invisible is someone that can embrace that level of innovation, that level of organic creation.
Do you lean in when things are unknown, or do you lean away? And are you hungry to figure it out? Because every day in the industry that we work in is very different from the day before. So it's going to be the unknown by definition.
The market evolves, the tech evolves, and you have to be willing to be highly adaptable and adapt at the pace in which the market is changing.
It's not just that wow, shock, wonder of how the technology is progressing, but I feel like working at Invisible, I'm actually in a place to harness that.
It's the intellectual curiosity and growth of learning something and feeling like you're evolving.
Invisible allows me to bring fresh ideas to the table. There's a big culture of being able to speak up.
We've also been able to push each other, not as hierarchical subordinates, but as colleagues, as peers, as teammates.
We are not a place that gives orders. We are a talent-first culture that attracts great people and gives them room to run. And I think that's something that not all people like, but the people that we want really like.
We need to be able to deploy 1,000 contractors in 48 hours across a wide distribution of skill sets, and you wouldn't be able to do that unless you had highly creative, highly motivated, and highly inspired people to go out and solve those problems.
We're here to help you realize the power of technology and change the way you do your work on the day-to-day.
We want to build the next generation of leaders that brings AI at scale across the enterprise. And I think this is the most interesting place to build an education curriculum in AI that you can think of.
I think every time we add new team members to the organization, we get a different lens on what that future looks like. And I'm excited to both watch that revenue machine mature and add incredibly talented people to the firm that help us peer into the future.
Invisible is your company's future.
There's a quote that I love from Teddy Roosevelt: "The greatest joy that life has to offer is the chance to work hard at work worth doing." And not many people get to experience that in their life. And I think we are building that here.